Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. X over 4 is equal to 2 over x squared. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start by using cross multiplication. We multiply this x by this x squared and we multiply this 4 by this 2. So x times x squared is equal to 4 times 2. This x times x squared will become x cubed is equal to this 4 times 2 will become 8. We move this 8 to the left hand side, then this will become x cubed minus 8 is equal to 0. Next, x cubed minus this 8 can be written as 2 cubed is equal to 0. Now we have difference of 2 cubes, so by using this algebraic identity, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. This x cubed minus 2 cubed will become x minus 2 times x squared plus x times 2 plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Next, x minus 2 times x squared plus this x times 2 will become 2x plus this 2 squared will become 4 is equal to 0. From here either this expression x minus 2 is equal to 0 or this expression x squared plus 2 times x plus 4 is equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of x is equal to 2. This is the first value of x, this is the first solution of this equation. To find other two solutions we solve this equation. We write this x squared plus 2 times x plus this 4 can be written as 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now by using this algebraic identity, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b whole squared. This x squared plus 2 times x plus 1 will become x plus 1 whole squared plus this 3 is equal to 0. Now we move this 3 to the right hand side, then this will become x plus 1 whole squared is equal to negative 3, and from here we take square root of both sides. So this square will be cancelled out with the square root, and here we are left with x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 3. Next, x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus this square root of negative 3 can be written as square root of 3 times negative 1. Next, x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus, now this will become square root of 3 times square root of negative 1. Next, x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. This is square root of negative 1. Square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So this will become I. Now we move this 1 to the right hand side. Then this will become x is equal to negative 1 plus minus root 3i. This is the second and third value of x. So we have these two solutions, and first we found the value of x is equal to 2. First we found the value of x 2. So we have three solutions of this equation.